The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. It's Chakuma Chamas Bandera. 1 Orlando Pirates, 4 in the Nedbank Cup at the Kingdom of KwaZulu. Etegwin at the Moses Mabhida Stadium. Orlando Pirates, of course, the favourites, winning 2 goals in the first half, 2 goals in the second half. Some people will be complaining their betting tickets. Bengfuna many Pirates to shy 5. Shy 6. Anyways, Orlando Pirates won the game and they're not playing football so that you can win or lose your betting. It was a decent first half, decent second half, 2 goals. Well done to Chakuma as well. At least they go home with 1 goal. Good free kick by Ungobe. Could have done better by the goalkeeper. Junekanya, our analyst, what did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The little Napoleon. So, Junior.
Yeah, so Junior. Ngibulise iChamel Dala.
Mr. So-and-so.
Die Hard. Yeah. Bese ngibulisa ubobuzini ngibulisa uShane. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, going to the game, a competition go Pirates is stronger.
Yeah.
Yeah, true, they've signed.
It's the depth we were talking about last season, January.
Yeah, competition at Orlando Pirates is so strong. It's nice to see Ukbonutito. It's nice to see Ukbonutito angena. Aba so positive ngalendlela mfana serious decision making. Ngifene dribbling but very effective. Running to spaces, decision making. He got a goal 1-2. Well done. You ifuna more. Going to the game, it's unfortunate Manuti Young bamkhiphile. I he had a stunning game as first half. He had a good first half. Mastery pockets. Was off the ball, gonna speed. I think yes, you understand. Going to game on can compliment the centre back Chapesan.
Mpo Chabasan, yeah.
Very good technically
Left
on the ball. Left footed centre back. I want to see them both badlala. Ngiyazi ukuthi Pirates ithanda build up. Ama centre back wabo amorph ama-attack, ama-passer to the ball. Like abantu abapasa forward players even in the middle. Very good in terms of ukudlala ibhola umfana. Very composed as well. Decision making umfana so far so good, but angeke ngithi bamtestile.
Yeah, kumbula ukuthi the time umbona kwi Marumo Gallants.
Yeah.
You saw the same thing.
Yeah.
And obviously there's always a difference between the Gallants and the Pirates.
Yeah.
Pirates.
Yeah.
But you can still see that it's the same player
Yeah.
in terms of a comfort on the ball, receive, pass.
Also ngicela compliment the professionalism to Orlando Pirates. Omunye umuntu angabona iPirates score 4. It's not easy modlana lama team. You don't know what to expect. Weak, sharp, true, but it's obvious bangithi weak. Position yabo kule ABC Municipal League baku number 11, but also kunale element under 23, under 21.
Yeah.
La it's more open. Until ukuthi badlala ama player that they are not playing regularly. Noma ngabadlala mhlawumbe ucala nga5 under 23 or under under 23 5 mhlawumbe after 20 minutes 30 minutes to take them out. Mara also I'm not too sure mele ngenze research again. Angazi ukuthi mele bakhiphe bonke or what. Khona kumele bashiye on the field. Bese kule game I think they know ukuthi bazothola hiding. Yes, babene this thing we're going to sell ourselves. Truly speaking, the abantu laba mfethu coming to this game, they started open. Ngibone badlali ba approach game ukuthi going to play open game. Ngibonile ba press on the Pirates, striker sabo style. The guy Nyambono ya pusha le I1, also lama wing forward to aba pusha patola the Pirates we ba comfortable ngalo ngakhona. Experienced players as well, beba phuma very simple at the back. Well done to Mbatha. Mfana lo mangithi well done to him. 3 games now in a row. Engine on the Pirates. Very composed, Magmela be composed. Agarashi makes Orlando Pirates click. Bengfuna ukumbona uTit ulo umbula adlala naye. Central midfield, not Mbule playing as number 10. Mbule playing central, very comfortable, bakwazi control the game. And I can tell you mabangadlala boy2, just Mbule man look heavy. Yabo, yes, I know it's called the opposition nayiphinde phela ikhohlisa, but uyalazi ibhola we know. but the position yakhe, best position yakhe, central midfield. So Mbatha, I think, did very well in the middle of Orlando Pirates, always showing up. It 10, Magmela 10, Mangeko on it, played backwards, uyahamba ilande. Nomtechela, I don't think complimented. Game now is 3 lemang issue Nomtechela. I'm not too sure, man, what's wrong with Nomtechela. I understand.
He had a good start, ku Pirates.
Yeah, ilenting is to climb go big team, it's very difficult. Intense magakhulu maintain. Actually easy. To maintain it, le kunama expectation out sikubone manje. Knowing ukuthi compete no ban psychologically zokushaya. So uNomtechela is no longer himself. I understand why. Ukhona ke grounding is the same. I'm sure the coach noma bona there's no impact that is bringing. Because this boy Mbatha was more ukuthi bebadlana team lo mfana lo Ngobe na lo Mponza boy2. They did nothing in the middle. I think they were shaping just beku team as honorary fixtures because the quality is not the same. Mbatha beku is good aba marker 1 boy2 also playing at Orlando Pirates. That's why I got a goal. I think mangithi mina uDiong did very well. Well done always when Mbatha got the ball. He show up, udropa too much. Uyadropa la ku number 10, ukudraftela kule pocket, magathola ibhola. Always ama decision bekawayenza uDiong ngemshayela izandla. Very dangerous player mfethu. I think that's why ngithi first half ngimshayela izandla, had to lose the ball, uranela kuma dangerous spaces. And Apollo is not much on the game. I can tell the truth. Azange mbone much mina.
I think both wide players, no Murema.
Going to Mreme.
Yeah.
Even him now.
It's a concern, both of them.
Even him, Mreme senkhuluma. Apollo is okay. We know mhlambe usazo. I don't think he's a winger. I don't think he's a winger. Apollo he can't play on the wing because you need to take somebody on. You can sometimes phela mall pass backwards. You regroup the team.
Yeah.
Break you shift the responsibility. I think unalo problem Apollo into kumele bayilungise. He need to fix it himself. Cause they break Orlando Pirates uthi yonke yamnika udlala na 1-2. He can't take somebody on. And angeke shoot somebody when he's here or cross. Lelo bhola zo deflect kube corner kick, set piece or balwini ama opposition, opponent. Mreme both wingers at Orlando Pirates not effective enough. Noma ngabe ba swipe, I don't think they were effective enough. Cause after Pirates, I think uDiong did very well. Even him now, Apollo, I think good run from him. Bamthola, good pass. Bamthola, waranele. There was a foul there, penalty. Well done to be composed. I think is good corner striker Bumbutuma Bobani. Ufika Orlando Pirates. Uqali game under pressure. Abe composed ngale ndlela. Good finish from him. And I think he's only confident there Antole. Ngibonile after that penalty mnikile confident, but as ngisho if ama winger wabo was so effective and bashare ibhola bonke kube ne balance bebazoyithola about 3-4 goals first half because this team was after conceding 2 goals njengoba bathi bazidlala open play they came and packed now baqala ukudefender from a center just to badlala in front of Orlando Pirates like the Pirates be ma keepers, let me put it that way. So after getting 2 goals Orlando Pirates allowing this team to get the goal, good technique from Mfana. Lela bola lela, we can play me, but let's play me the goalkeeper. Yes, Ngimbonile and I look shaky. Orlando Pirates need to get another goalkeeper because Beanga reshuffle very quick footwork, very quick. Yes, but imshayile out. Mayizum kushala ibonda likhona lelo bola dangerous. And also mawungekho quick goalkeeper. Mina ezinye izinto engizibone ngayo goalkeeper the handling. Ngeke ubambe ibhola kayi2 man. Sometimes be convincing ubambe ibhola first time as a goalkeeper and then he play iqane. Yabona ngoba I best way to attack is to defend. You defend that ball and then isibamba ngebreak mangabe ulibambe first time. So also Orlando Pirates I think coach yenza amasub. Tito Masangai came to the bench Lungisa sometimes. Ngobu Tito it was very comfortable dropping Afino Orlando Pirates number 10 which end up utholu to isolate Mabasa there or Nyamthanda Tito. I love him, he knows football Tito. But the mindset he needed to change and makangena the positive mindset uhlale Afina ama opponent. Uyilink noMbutuma. Ngicela ukumcompliment uMbutuma naye namhla udlalile umjida. Sometimes you don't have to score. Yabo 2 step like just 2 step away from it defend is it different and he did exactly ngale 1-2 le bayishayile no Tito and Tito good continuity sometimes angeke udlala ibhola enyaweni Tito modlala number 10 akumelanga ulifune enyaweni ngibona irun continuity and then noma ngabe bamphasanga besobona ukuthi uMbutuma kamphasanga wamphasa good finish from him and also Sipho Mbule I think did very well. Pirates dominate game. Ngoba first up badlala ngespeed esi1 the Pirates. Sometimes just train labafana and train labafana and nikube ne element of surprise. Pirates between him Umbatha. Well done to the coach ukuthi amgcine Umbatha, because nakuthi amkhiphe na during the week. I think coach ibonile makenze analysis ukuthi it's a big mistake ngidrop igame. Umyekile noMbule, Mbule makadlala central, complementing each other. When Pirates go forward, they support both of them. Umbatha is more of going half. Mbule always supporting. And honestly, they were playing against not a strong opposition. Anyway, they can't match Orlando Pirates bagule position ewakuyo. And the quality, I don't think it's the same. Well done to Orlando Pirates. I think they've been professional in this game by scoring 4 goals. Also, Woto Dlalile, I need to compliment him. I think Woto did very well. Not much of Sibelebele again. I understand they are surprising in during Hispania and Namshaba Pinda. Sibelebele coming. I understand why. So, well done to Orlando Pirates. Chakuma. And for today, Beba Mitama Giant, as Shilo first half, it was goal against David. So there was no way. I think they were here to learn, because there's nothing much that they did. I can't so cool mangabo much. You understand? We can't see in individual. Like na player that thing all of them, I think, Beba Khamegile. I'm talking about the whole team. Beba Khamegile, I think they were fans. And sometimes it depends which are too good for you. I mean, they're playing against national team players. Compliment the bench, Orlando Pirates. Mauza as a bench did some compliment. Also, Sedan did very well, but I believe he's a striker. Because sometimes you don't have to take somebody on. You take somebody shoot. That's why Mabam is a striker. Like Pizzo, what he did, Kama Pilat, Magafia Santa, some Sosa going Amleta number 10. Alimitele, Lugiago traffic. Very good player, but sometimes Yazama decision is so simple. Ichakumeni thing ibona ngabonkuleko. Hey, bebafuna prove point, man. Decision never went wrong. Sometimes overdo things. I'm not too sure, but it's a small team trying to sell themselves individually. Yeah.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much, Junior. That's it. That's the game, really, because nothing much happened. Of course, the big team won. Ichakuma, if you want to understand the gap between the two teams, Orlando Pirates are number 1 in South African football out of all football clubs, all of them. LFA, Hollywood Bets, Super League, ABC Motsepe League, Motsepe Foundation, Betway Premiership. So Orlando Pirates are the kings of South African football right now because they are number 1 at the highest level of South African football. Chakuma are not in the Motsepe Foundation, which is the National First Division. They are in the ABC Motsepe League, and in their stream A, they are number 11. They have only 1 team behind them, meaning they are on the verge of being relegated if they don't get their act together. So there's at least 16 or 15 teams between them, Betway Premiership, plus another 16 teams, National First Division. That's how big the gap is. And of course, there's a historical gap, and the gap of finances, and the gap of quality of players as well. So, well done to Orlando Pirates. Chakuma, at least they get a goal. They'll be able to say, okay, when we played against a giant, you scored 1 goal for us. So, congratulations. Well done to Orlando Pirates. It is good TV, it is good times. We're so sweating.
Hola, Bafetu. This is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.